How to update Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Dropbox. First thing, go to the app and go to the top corner right here and click on the settings option down here, and now scroll down until you find your app version. If you have an old version and you want to update it, or what you have to do is simple, go out and now go to the Play Store as you can see, and go to the top here on the search bar and search for Dropbox and click on it. Now as you can see, you will have this option of the update. If you want to update it, click on it and your Dropbox app will be updated. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.